Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on the day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin has moved nicely into the double top formation, which was confirmed last week. We had a daily volume candle close below the local low right here. Now we retrace up to the zone and we're heading down again possibly. Let's look at the charts. So as I told you in my last day trading update, you need to wait for a close below this local low right here. We didn't actually close exactly below it, so we're still waiting for that double top formation to form. We have not yet confirmed it. You can see it was so close confirming it, so we still have to wait before we can get that confirmation. But I do think it's gonna come sooner rather than later. To invalidate the structure, we need to break new all-time highs, basically, to invalidate this double top formation. So the next leg down could possibly be into the volume candle right here, which sits at 56.9k, where we might have another reversal to the upside to go up to 65k, 64k, and then we could have the final drop. Could be to this volume candle right here at 54k, but we could also go to 52k to recover all of the open orders in that area. Smash that, shake out some weekends, and then load up to the final push of this bull run, which is gonna be exponential possibly. We've had the halving event. Not much has really happened ever since that halving, so we just have to wait and see for what's about to come this week. Because in terms of news, we have unemployment claims on Thursday, and we have some press conferences and stuff coming out of Japan. And we will also have the core PC price index. But that's not the big news this week. We have earnings coming up we have Tesla, we have Meta, we have all the big guys, the Magnificent Seven, as they call it in the stock market, have their earnings this week. And that's basically gonna dictate where Bitcoin will go, as Bitcoin is considered a tech stock according to Wall Street. So if the earnings are favorable for the stock market, well, then we could see price shooting up. If not, well, then we're going to the downside. Looking at the liquidation map, we have a cluster of liquidations here at 67.3k. To the downside, it is pretty low, so we could have another push to the upside possibly. But yeah, that's not financial advice. This is just for educational and time purposes only. Let's take a look at Chainlink. So yeah, Chainlink has had its initial drop when we marked down lower after forming possibly a double top formation in this area right here. So you could see that we confirmed it on April 12th. So we had our first leg down possibly. I do consider this the first leg up. We were covering some volume candles. We still have one left, so I do think we could spike up to, let's say, $17 before we have another leg to the downside, hitting possibly $11.2. Have another retrace to the upside, possibly 13, and then we could hit what I've been aiming for ever since we broke out of this range, which is sub $10, possibly to $8.5, where we have a lot of open orders which hasn't been filled yet. So we do need to tap into that zone before I can sleep calmly. And I do think if we break $8.5 and finalize this zone, we are never seeing single digit Chainlink ever again, possibly. Not financial advice, but it would be so great to tap into that zone to clear those orders, because if they're left there, the market maker is gonna tap into that eventually in some crash scenario. So if we clear those, then the market maker has nothing to find here, which is lovely. So we were in the range from $6 to $8.5. That's why I do think it's very likely that we tap into that zone once again and then move out there swiftly. So day trading wise, $16, $17 in the next move to the upside is on the table before we get another leg down to $11 again. That's it for today's day trading update. I hope you learned something. Big Boss out.